Delight your little ones with this easy peanut butter cookie bar. You need 1 pouch of peanut butter cookie mix, Reese's Pieces, and peanut butter chips. Heat your oven to 350 degrees. Spray the bottom and sides of a 13 by 9 inch pan with cooking spray. In a large bowl, mix the cookie mix, oil, water, and egg with a spoon until soft dough forms. Stir in 1/2 cup of peanut butter candy and 1/2 cup of peanut butter chips. Press the dough in the bottom of the pan. Sprinkle the remaining 1/4 cup of peanut butter candy on top. Bake for 16 to 20 minutes or until light golden brown. Cool completely for about an hour. Cut them up and store your remaining in an airtight container. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.